In this video, I am going to show you how to use a VPN to get cheaper plane tickets. Let's get started. First, download a reliable VPN app like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or Proton VPN. Then sign into your account. Next, connect to a server in a different country. Try locations like Thailand, Vietnam, Turkey, or Mexico, since flight prices are sometimes cheaper in those regions. Before searching, clear your browser cache and cookies. Then open an incognito or private window to avoid price tracking. Now, go to flight booking sites like Google Flights, Skyscanner, or Expedia and search for your trip as usual. If the price doesn't change, switch to another country in your VPN and search again. Try a few different locations to compare prices. Once you find a cheaper deal, book it right away, because prices can change quickly. For extra savings, try booking on off-peak days and always check baggage fees and cancellation policies before confirming. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.